Hello, YouTube family. Welcome back to the channel. This is ALFATIR CRAWFORD with Finance Up. I hope all is well. And again, thanks for the continued support. Now, my channel is all about helping you reach financial independence, whether through stocks, crypto, credit card arbitrage, business ownership, or multiple streams of income. Here, it's all about helping you become financially free and independent. So again, this is Finance Up, and this video specifically is on how you can get into the real estate investment market through renting and flipping mobile homes. Now, I have experience in flipping and renting mobile homes. I both rent and fix and flip mobile homes for profits. And in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can do the same. Now, you know how we do here. Let's share the screen and let's go. So again, YouTube family, this is ALFATIR CRAWFORD with Finance Up. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for the continued support. Like I said, this video is all about helping you learn how to flip and rent mobile homes for profits. Let's go. So what is renting mobile homes? What does that consist of? So compared to stick-built homes, you can get a higher return on investment, ROI, when renting out a mobile home, whether it's on its own land or in a mobile home park. Here's why. Even though most mobile homes have a lower annual rental value than site-built homes, annual property taxes, insurance, etc. are much lower. Now, in the pic below, you see a mobile home that I purchased for $3,500. After rehab, I'm able to get $800 per month in rental income for this particular mobile home. So this is a mobile home that I have on a piece of land that I own, and it's a great way to make income through rental. So it's a rental property, purchase it at $3,500, and it's another great source of how to generate rental income. So again, this is what mobile home renting consists of. Now, let's look into mobile home flipping. Now, due to the lower upfront costs and faster flipping timelines, mobile homes can offer a higher return on investment, ROI, than a single-family home. So if you're looking for a lucrative endeavor in the real estate sector, mobile homes can be a great way to boost your financial success in flipping. In the pics below, the two mobile homes on the left, I purchased from Facebook Marketplace for $2,500 for the both. And the pic to the right, I purchased this trailer on Facebook Marketplace for $1,300. The goal here is to flip, fix, and rent. So I'm going to do a combination with these three homes. I'll probably set up one to rent, and I will rehab the other two to flip. So again, this is what flipping of mobile homes consists of. Now, I'm going to share with you some areas that you need to master if you are thinking about getting into the renting a mobile home business. So number one, where to place your mobile home. Of course, you may need land or a mobile home park or a staging work area for rehab if you're just purchasing and rehabbing to flip the property. So you need an area where you can actually do the rehab before you sell the mobile home. Number two, how to find mobile homes. Of course, I just mentioned Facebook Marketplace, Google, driving for dollars, and you can get referrals from a mobile home transport company. Number 3, how to move or transport a mobile home after purchase. 1, find a mobile home transport company. They can be found on Facebook Marketplace, Google, or you can get a referral from a mobile home dealer or mobile home park. Now, number 4, who do you need on your mobile home renting flipping team? You definitely need a mobile home mover. You need a handyman, electrician, a plumber, a septic tank company, etc. So here are 4 areas that you need to master if you're thinking about getting into renting and flipping mobile homes. So again, YouTube family, this video has been specifically on flipping and renting mobile homes for profit. This is Finance Up with ALFATIR Crawford. I hope this information helps someone. Flipping and renting mobile homes is a great way to enter the real estate investment market. As you can see from this video, it's a lower barrier of cost if you are trying to get into mobile home renting and flipping. I hope this information was helpful. Again, this is ALFATIR Crawford with Finance Up. Until the next video, you guys take care. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Until the next video, you guys take care, and I will talk to you soon. Goodbye.